I'm going to take you outside. I want to start with the colors. Take a look at the Bellwether Beach Cam's view of the beach right out in front of the Bellwether. You can see, look at that's just absolutely gorgeous. And if you look real close at the top there, right above the horizon, there's actually some sea fog sitting out there. It will be coming back tonight, but we've got clouds and a front coming through tomorrow that's actually going to wipe all of that out. So we've got a really good looking day today. Clouds and some rain roll through the area tomorrow. Let's go over the weather wall and talk about it. We've got some really nice temps out there. Again, I mean, I've been saying that every day this week. 72 is average for February 2nd, 72, 73, depending on where you are. But we're in the low 70s along the coast, 74 in St. Pete, 76 in Tampa. But look at the low 80s already in East Hillsboro, along and east of I-75. Lando Lakes and Pasco, we've got 81, 80 in Zephyr Hills. Lakeland, we're just about there at 79. Sarasota, Bradenton, just about the same, 78 degrees, 81 in Venice. Lakewood Ranch, 84 degrees on February the 2nd. In fact, look at the country, guys. Minus 13 in International Falls, minus 8 in North Dakota. We've got 39 in the nation's capital and 76 here in Tampa, 81 in Key West. It's actually warmer in Lakewood Ranch right now, just about anywhere in the state. So, yeah, we've got the nice weather. We will cool a little bit, but we're talking from the low 80s to the mid 70s. That's it. So we're not cooling that much. We've got moisture in the atmosphere, humidity. So you can see it bubbling up these little clouds here. Also, you look right here. It's tough to see on an infrared, but look at visible satellite. That is the sea fog, at least the stuff that's not moving. You'll see some clouds moving pretty quickly. If you notice this right in here, it's not moving that much. That is the sea fog. That's what we'll push back in later. You can actually see where it was up in Hernando and Citrus, and it kind of dried up as the sun came up. Coming back one more time tonight, it'll push inland. Then, as we get into tomorrow morning, this is about 3:30 in the morning, still have southwesterly winds. Gets a little bit breezy, but look at this. This is tomorrow at around 11 o'clock in the morning. Here comes the front. The front will push through during the day, and that's our rain chance. That's 1:30 tomorrow afternoon. So most of the rain I think we see tomorrow is during the late morning and mid-afternoon hours. By about 4:30, most of the rain's out of here. Friday Night Football, I was concerned earlier in the week that it would be around 5, 6 o'clock for rain. I think we'll be okay now. Spotty showers, especially south of I-4, but even there, most of the rain should be over by about 5 to 6 o'clock. Then we get some drier air and slightly cooler air coming in. But you'll certainly notice the humidity levels come down for your Saturday. So here's the forecast. Upper 70s to low 80s again today. Partly cloudy skies developing mainly away from the coast. It'll be mostly sunny at the coast. And then as we get into boating, that looks like we're going to see very light winds again. The issue with being outdoors, and you can probably hear my voice, is the allergens. Juniper, maple, and oak. Things are exploding. This is the time of the year where the trees really get going. You can see it. You'll see it on your car if you already haven't. There's a lot of pollen floating around. Southwest winds 5 to 10 knots for today. Watch out for some fog again late tonight. There's our rain chance for tomorrow. I think we stay dry on Saturday. The European models, what I'm showing you here, they're not showing a lot of rain at all, really, for Sunday. There's a small chance that we get a couple of showers left over. You can see this line coming through. That's tomorrow afternoon. But notice Saturday looks good. And then on Sunday, see the moisture over on the East Coast. That's about as close as it gets, so I think we're okay, right? Monday, it looks like we actually dry things out, and our next rain chance after tomorrow really looks like it's not until Thursday of next week, and it's a brief cool down. 73 on Saturday, 77 on Sunday, and then we're right back up to near 80 by Tuesday and Wednesday.